How to replace your filters and reset your filter counters in any H2 series ionizer. Your H2 series ionizer has two filters. Filter 1 is on this side and filter 2 is on this side. The filter counter indicators will show up on the screen when you have the water running.
Alkaline ionized water on process.
This counter located here is for filter 1, and this counter is the indicator for filter 2. When the filter counter indicators read 999, it's time to replace your filters, or once per year, whichever comes first. When you're ready to replace your filters, the first step is to remove the filter doors. We'll start with filter 1. First, press and hold the white button located beneath the filter door. As you hold the button in, slide the door upward with your other hand and then remove the door. If you have a smart filter version, H2 unit, your unit will have a wire harness in each filter compartment. If you have a previous version, H2 unit, your filter may have the wire harness, but you will not have the part of the wire coming out of the machine. Instead, right here at this location, you will have a filter reset button. For this demonstration, we'll be using a smart version machine with the wire, but we will show you both methods for replacing the filter and resetting the counter. First step is to disconnect the wire harness if you have the wire harness. Disconnect it. Next step is to remove the filter. Do this by turning the filter counterclockwise until the filter is unlocked. It's unlocked when the tabs on the bottom of the filter line up with the slots in the filter base. Once it's unlocked, lift the filter out gently. Have a towel handy because the filter will be full of water. You also may have water in the bottom of the filter compartment. This is normal. Your new replacement filter will likely have a seal on the bottom. Before installing the filter, be sure to peel this seal off of the filter. To install the new filter, place the filter on the filter cushion base, making sure to line up the tabs on the bottom of the filter with the slots in the base of the filter compartment. When they're lined up, press the filter down and then turn it clockwise until it's locked into place. If your H2 unit has a wire harness, you will need to connect the wire harness with the harness on the new filter. Doing this will reset your filter counter for this filter. If you have a previous version H2 unit that does not have a wire harness on the machine, simply leave the wire harness on the filter hanging loose. Your machine will have a reset button in this spot. To reset your filter counter, you will press and hold the reset button for 3 to 5 seconds. When you first press the button, you'll hear a beep. Once you've held it for about 3 to 5 seconds, you will hear a second beep indicating that the filter counter has been reset. You can then let go of the button. So I'm going to plug this one back in since we have the smart filter version. Once your filter has been fully installed and you've reset your counter or connected the wire harness, you will replace filter 2 if it is time for that filter also. The procedure will be done the same way. Once your filters are replaced, you will need to flush the filters for 1 to 2 minutes until the water runs clear. You'll do this by turning the water on for the machine and letting the water run on the purified setting for about 1 or 2 minutes until the water runs clear. While you're doing this, check around the filters to make sure there's no leaking. Once you finish flushing the filters, you can turn the water off, and then it's time to reinstall the filter doors. To reinstall the filter door, you will simply line up the tabs on the door with the slots on the machine on each side of the filter compartment. Once the door is lined up, slide it down until it locks into place. This completes replacing your filters and resetting the counters. Enjoy your water.